everybody. We are going to do the Midship Detective Agency.
Who are you doing it with? Why don't you introduce yourself with your friend?
This is my friend Maddie.
Oh, I like that.
There's 4 missions, right? We're doing it. We're going to do a competition.
And then on the other team.
Wait, I'm explaining.
Oh, you're doing it? All right.
And then, me, Maddie, Grace, and her dad are gonna be on one team, and Abby and my dad are on the other team.
Say, we're number 1.
No, actually we are. We're gonna win.
Hey, listen, someone has taken all our props, and we can't perform the show without them.
The Muppets show is in trouble because some thief stole their props, so we're going to look for the thief with the art.
Detectives, use your flashlight.
Yeah. Trying to look for clues with the art.
Did somebody call for a crime scene cleanup?
Try using the ropes to move the lights around to see if you can find any clues.
So we found the 2 next pictures, and we are waiting in line. Now we're going down to deck 9, so just waiting.
That's where we're going.
We are going to a door store for Midship Detective Agents. Okay.
So we can cross all of them off, right?
Yeah.
Let's cross them off.
So we're crossing off Ralphie, the chicken.
Okay, Abs, do you want to take the map? Where do we go?
Deck 6. We have to go to AFT.
Aft.
Gee, I wonder why these pipes are connected. Bobo, we know you took the props.
Oh, yeah, it was me.
Who do you think did it?
I think that Rizzo did it.
Rizzo, not Rizzo.
Look at him, Mickey.
Do we know where we're going?
We just have to go to a random deck.
To solve it? Is that it?
Yes, that's it.
Okay. I thought we went down to the bottom.
We're going to deck 9.
Abs, I gotta ask you, why are we doing this one again?
I didn't know we did this.
Well, then you can stop. Okay. Okay, Abs. Where do you go to solve it?
Anywhere, anything.
Okay.
We're not seeing your badge, detective.
No,
Let's go to deck 9.
no, Abby. Why are you wanting to go to deck 9?
Because that's like the only one we have left. 8.
Abby, you already know who solved it, right?
Yes, but we have to solve it.
I know. And then we go to deck, I believe,
No.
the headquarters.
No, we don't
Where?
go to the headquarters.
Yes, we do. Headquarters, deck 2. Abs, trust me on this one. Her daddy made a mistake and ended up with Anna Kate and her new friend Maddie Grace won, right? Who loves Tinkerbell?
I got this Frozen.
Oh
thing.
wow, that's super awesome. Is it a puzzle?
Oh,
They might have
no,
to trade
it's
that
like,
to Abs.
No, it's like a coloring book thing. I got bracelets.
Grace? What did you? Oh, sorry. My goodness, that's a ton.
A
Huge thing.
pen, a lip
Fingers.
thing. That's mine now. Lip. Yeah, that's mine. I got a Tinkerbell keychain. And I got this lollipop. Ooh, that smells good.
All right, okay, now we don't want to go crazy. Do we want to go see Aladdin?
Yes. No. Yes.
We got 2 yeses. Abs, we'll go to
Goofy Golf.
We'll go to Goofy Golf, I promise, Abs. It's always there. No, well, I don't know about today, but let's go. Oh, what's that? Is that your favorite thing ever?
Yes. I got 2 lollipops!
You got what?
I got 2 lollipops! I decorated my bag.
Oh.
Get a handle on where
Oh, I like it. Did you put stickers all over your bag?
Mm-hmm.
I like it.
Yeah, Bobby! Well, our
House.
no, we've already from our car.
Oh, from our car? Yeah, that's true too.
But we're farther away from our house.
Where do you think our car is? Which way?
This way.
I think you're right. I think you're right.
Yeah, I have a feeling it's that.
Okay, are we gonna go to Aladdin?
Yes, we're gonna go see Aladdin. The Wonderful Mysteries of Aladdin.
Okay. So, Allie, can you say bye-bye to the camera?
Bye-bye.
Abs, what are we gonna see?
Aladdin.
Excited? Kind of. You want to go goofy golfing, didn't you? Do you want to go goofy golfing or see Aladdin? You want to do both? Well, what do you want to do right now? See Aladdin or goofy golf? Okay, good.
We're gonna play a game called So You Think You Know Your Family. So I think it's like they ask like, what's your mom, for an example, like, what's your mom's favorite Disney movie and, or like, yeah. And
What's your mom's favorite food?
I don't actually know.
What's Daddy's favorite food?
Lobster.
Lobster. I'm a lobster mobster. What's Allie's favorite food?
And then you just answer the questions about your family.
What's your favorite food? Allie, what's your favorite food?
My favorite food
You gotta talk to the camera. Is what? Ice cream? No.
That's not food.
Oh, what's food then?
I like
Cheesecake might be up there.
I like Beatles.
Burritos? Abs? What's your favorite food?
Do a dance party. Let's do a dance party.
I don't know. Hamburgers.
Burritos? Okay, what's your favorite food?
Well, if you got cheese that has food.
Cheese dip it is. What's Mommy's favorite food?
Ice cream.
Ice cream, really?
We just went to the Enchanted Garden. I got some prime rib and a chocolate
your
cake.
face right now. You can only see the bottom. There you go.
And chocolate cake afterwards. We missed the pajama party.
Oh, because we had dinner during.
But we hadn't, they had a pajama party at the kids club. But we played Foursquare and we watched movies and we did a scavenger hunt.
What movies?
We watched, so I saw Aladdin, some of it,
Allie.
and
Allie.
I saw The Little Mermaid.
Where's your 9-nut milk?
No, not. That was not my nine milk. Dad, I'm there. No, when I thought it.
What's the
Come
matter?
on, I need you to drink your
When
9-nut.
I thought it.
Allie, you ready to go to bed?
Where's her chocolate from the here?
She doesn't have any chocolate.
Yes.
You want that?
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No,
Everybody
you
gets
don't.
a chocolate.
Is that your chocolate?
Here, excuse me.
Are you gonna eat that whole thing?
Uh-huh.
Wait a minute, Abs. Was today the best day ever? Or was yesterday? What was the best day
I like
ever?
today most.
Was today the most? Why'd you like today the most?
I don't know. I just did.
You did?
Yes.
Because you got to spend time with Daddy, right?
I did.
You gonna say goodnight?
Good
Monday.
night.
Monday. We'll see you tomorrow, Tuesday.
1, 2, 3. Lights out.